Good morning, everyone, to day 2 of crushing negative mornings. Again, we are establishing a new habit for those of us who wake up in a negative state of mind, so that we can turn it around pretty quick, and then we'll build on that to create a wonderful, productive, positive routine, set you up for success for the rest of the day. So I hope you get up 10 minutes early. I did. I've got my cup of coffee. That's step 2. Step 3 is we're going to visualize an image in our mind that melts our hearts, makes us feel good, puts a smile on your face. We're going to do that for 2 minutes. If you get distracted, just say, oh, that's okay, and come back and try to spend a whole 2 minutes thinking about that image and really feeling it. And then we'll end, and step 4 is to go get something to eat, because typically body, when it's hungry, people who are stressed tend to not have an appetite, but actually getting some food into you will make some of that stress go away. So that's what the coffee's for. That's what the food's for. That's going to make you feel much better. The vision, the visualization, and looking at this wonderful picture, that is really for your mind, but it's also for the body to feel good. So let's begin. All right, so put my coffee down. You can have your cup of coffee while you're doing this, but let's set a timer on our handy dandy phone. 2 minutes, and get that picture ready, and let's go. 2 minutes. I'm going to visualize mine because I've got it down pretty pat. Remember, if your mind drifts off, just bring yourself back, and it's okay. Just come back to your picture. Really try to make the emotion of it. Try to generate that emotion. Feel it in your body. Savor it. Very interesting. That was 2 minutes. I don't know why the alarm didn't keep going, but so that was 2 minutes. I know I feel a little better in here. I know that having the coffee into you can satisfy that nicotine craving, which can be a big symptom of waking up with a very negative mind racing, negative thoughts. Your body's craving nicotine. You get that caffeine into you. You get the caffeine into you. Your body becomes more satisfied. It's ready to go. The visualization can help turn that negative emotion into a positive one. You're feeling it. And if you go get something to eat, I guarantee you're going to start to feel better. So we're going to do this for another 19 days. We are just establishing the habit of getting up early and doing this. You should feel better, but you are going to feel better and better every day you do this. See you tomorrow.